Meaning of gentian.
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 Gentian. Gentian is a herbaceous plant belonging to the family Gentianaceae. It is characterized by its trumpet-shaped blue or yellow flowers and bitter taste. The name gentian is derived from Gentius, an Illyrian king who ruled between 181 and 168 BC and was known for his knowledge of medicinal plants. Gentians have a long history of medicinal use, particularly for digestive ailments. They are also used in the production of alcoholic beverages such as bitters and liqueurs. Gentians are known for their beauty, attracting pollinators, and their cultural significance in various regions around the world.